Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix CapCut lag problem. Alright, let's begin. If your video playback is slow or lagging in CapCut, there are a few simple settings you can change. First, click on an empty black space in the timeline to make sure no clip is selected. Then click on the full option above the preview window and lower the playback quality to medium. This improves playback performance without affecting export quality. Next, click again on the black space and select Details from the top right. Click Modify, then go to Performance. Enable the proxy option and reduce the proxy resolution to 540p. This only affects preview playback and not the final video. Click Save. After that, close the window and click the Settings icon from the top menu. Open Settings, find Cache, and click the trash icon next to Cache Size. Confirm to clear cache files. This removes temporary data that can slow down CapCut. Finally, go to Performance in the top navigation and disable hardware encoding and decoding. Save the changes and return to your project. CapCut should now run much smoother. So that's basically how you can fix CapCut lag problem. That's it for this video. Thanks.